Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you how to make this. This is a bacon wrapped, sweet and spicy pork loin fillet. And here I've just overlapped the bacon, and then I did the bacon the width of my pork loin, and then put that down. I have already mixed up some Dijon mustard or spicy brown mustard, brown sugar, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of allspice and crushed red peppers. And I will list all of the amounts at the end of this. So you can see the crushed red peppers in there. And you're just going to layer this on the pork loin. And get it off the spoon. Filming from my laptop today. So maybe we'll have two hands to work with easily. This will go better, a lot easier. Then you just pick these up and you lay them over, and they kind of stick in all of that. Oops, I dropped them. You can lay them out super perfect if you want. Doesn't matter a whole bunch to me how they get laid out on mine. They're going to wrap up and get eaten. And the presentation will be beautiful regardless. Well, I've got one little guy down there. We'll scoot him over. All right, wipe my hands real quick. And then on top of that, I had just a little bit of this mixture left over. And I put it on top. As this cooks, that brown sugar is going to start to dissolve. And it'll go into a liquid form. And it's going to coat over the top of all of this. This is something that I've made for holidays before. It's really good. Christmas, Thanksgiving. You could put this in some foil and grill it outside on the grill. Or if you have a indoor grill, either one. But that's it. We're just going to pop that in the oven. I leave mine uncovered. And usually it takes about 45 minutes, sometimes an hour. It's going to take 45 minutes for bacon to cook. And then that's a really dense, thick piece of meat. So maybe even an hour and a half. But in 45 minutes you could check it. I'm cooking it on 350. And if it's not done to your liking, go ahead and pop it in for 5 more minutes at a time. Continue to check it. But you know, these are very good, but very simple recipes to me, I guess. I've cooked for a long time and enjoyed cooking. So I'll show you some after pictures in just a few. Thanks for joining me. All right, it is done. Take a look at that. Get this timer and oven turned off. Isn't that beautiful? Smells amazing too. Hit the fork. Ooh, that brown sugar going everywhere. Oh, guys, that looks great. Can you see that? That is some good stuff. All right, serve that to your family and they will be happy. Enjoy.